Hello. We are at the Sue something restaurant that's in a gas station off of I-35 on the way out of Oklahoma. We're going through Kansas, right into Missouri to Kansas City.
But we're not saying anything else.
And I'm taking Kriya on a surprise adventure early for her birthday. Really early, like over a month early.
2 months early.
Anyway, we just stopped and we got this yummy food. I don't know if you can see all of it, but it's
We've
like
already eaten half
some
of it.
Oklahoma cooking, and it was so good that we ate half of it for getting the video. So, Kriya, hold on. Let me turn the camera on you.
I don't know what I'm going to say.
Okay. So, I have a question for you.
Yes.
Do you have any idea what we're going to do?
I have no idea what we're going to do.
Are you excited?
I'm very excited. Apparently everybody knows what we're going to do.
Everybody.
And no one has told me. So that's awesome.
Yes, and when you see us later, we'll be dressed much cuter.
I'm cute.
No, you're very cute. I said we'll be much cuter.
Okay.
Anyway, we'll talk to you later.
Yeah.
Alright, we have arrived at our destination, which is here, but Kriya has her eyes closed because there's not really anything to tell her what we're at. So I gave her something to tell her where we're at.
So am I looking at
And
this?
yeah, and it's across the street. So go ahead and open your eyes now.
Are you kidding me?
I'm serious.
Oh
and look at the place it's at.
Oh, my outfit's gonna be so cool. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm gonna cry.
Me too.
Oh, I was just gonna say something about her. Not do you see it's Katy Perry?
And it's like a little, it looks like a small place. I'm so excited. I don't know what it's like.
Oh my gosh, and there had to have been people watching you barbecue.
I know.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yay.
I'm going to be so cool.
I know.
I should have brought red lipstick.
It's going to be awesome.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I'm
Okay,
going
you
to stop
can shut
recording
that off.
so we can figure out what we're doing. Bye.
This is that Kiss You Girl.